Hey guys, JD here, and today I'm going to be changing out my worn out grips on my Kawasaki Ultra 310 jet ski. Now these I installed in 2022 if I'm not mistaken, and these were from Unlimited PWC. You can see that the grip is almost completely gone. They're just smooth. So I would have just reordered these unlimited ones, but from Japan, by the time you went through the shipping and everything, these were like $65 or something from Unlimited PWC. So it was way too much. So I had two different sets of grips from ODI. I have the ODI Rogue and I have the ODI Ruffian. These are both different personal watercraft grips. This is pretty much like the Unlimited PWC ones that I had. And then these are a bit of a more aggressive tread. So I think they retail, it's about $30 out the door. So let's try these. These are the ODI Rogue. And I'm not using their end caps. I'm keeping my Unlimited end cap because that keeps the grip on. And you can see these say made in USA. So that's really nice. I just want to get an idea. They also come with some stainless hardware, which you absolutely need if you're going to be riding in the ocean. This is from Unlimited PWC, that's my end cap. So my final product's going to look like this. And probably I'll point them like that with the hardware on the bottom. And put that end cap in there like that. That'll look nice. So this is a beefy grip. I don't see this wearing down as quickly as... See, the Unlimited here was a very fine diamond. Here's the Ruffian. The Ruffian's a little bit, and again, these are a couple years old, so it's not completely fair to compare them. But pretty much the same diamond pattern. The size-wise, the Ruffians have smaller clips, but the lock ring fits a little differently. So they're supposed to be 130 millimeters. I think they're just a little bit longer than that. But all right, there we go. And of course I have my end cap from Unlimited. This is held up incredibly. Hasn't even faded. Such a high quality piece right here. So that's going to make sure that these don't slide off, because I've seen guys go around the corner and have grips just slide right off. So these expansion type end caps basically make that impossible. They really anchor these in there pretty good. Oh, not going anywhere. All right, and then I'm just going to give these... You don't want to over tighten these because they will break. So here's a look at that new grip. Really beefy, and this all fit together really nice. I really like it. Just to give you an idea, this is what your Ruffian grip would look like. The Ruffian art is a popular option, but I really like this Rogue. Gives you a lot of grip, and you can see there's my old Unlimited one. They held up well, but time to be replaced.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more exclusive jet ski content, only on JD's Waterworld.